Welcome back to Bobby White TV. Today we're going to be making an 18 karat gold diamond grenade necklace. I first started the grenade collection back in 2008 under the name Boom. This piece is a little bit more understated than the chains I usually make, but it still comes with a bang. So me and my brother Tommy are going to go step by step how we create one of these necklaces, starting with the 3D CAD, so let's go.
Don't let it go.
Bobby's already done a design for the grenade necklace, so I know exactly how he wants the measurements, how thick, where he wants the diamonds. All it leaves me to do now, I need to create it on the 3D software, send it over to the 3D printer where it's going to create a 3D model out of layers. Once that's done, we're going to cure the resin, then we're going to send it to the casters and get it back in red gold. So let's get started with the design.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream.
The resins are now all completed. They've been curing under the UV box for the last 20 minutes. I'm now going to send them off to the casters. At the casters, they're going to put them into a flask. They're going to burn out the resin and they're going to inject 18 karat rose gold, so we get the castings back in about a day or two.
Just got the 3 pieces back now from the caster. They're in 18 karat rose gold. These are the pieces you see Tommy make on the Matrix software and print out on the 3D printer. What we're going to do next, we're going to put them together, give them a file up, buff them and get them ready for setting.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Ooh. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Ooh.
So I've got the bottom of the grenade all ready now. It's all soldered up, filed and buffed, so it's ready to set. So it's going to go in with dividers, line it out and start ball phrases molds and get some diamonds in.
What you do? Ooh. Don't go. Chasing a dream. What you do? Ooh.
So now I've got the body of the grenade completely set, so it's all done, it's looking great. I've also cleaned up the top and put some diamonds in the handle. What I need to do now, laser and solder these 2 bits together, get it all polished, get the chain on, and it's job done.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. way you do. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. Way you do.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe so you can see future ones we make. If you want to know more information about this necklace we made in this video, we're going to leave a link down below.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream.